What's up everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J here with a review using some of the pieces from Tom Ford's new Soleil Summer 2018 collection. And if you watch my channel even just a little bit, you know I am obsessed with Tom Ford. Tom Ford is definitely my favorite brand. I have a lot of the new pieces from the collection that I want to use in this video. Every year Tom Ford comes out with his Soleil collection, and in this collection we're going to get that really nice beautiful white and gold packaging, and it's just super luxe. But this year they came out with some really nice stuff, so I wanted to do a video for you guys to overview it. I did not pick up everything because Tom Ford will not bankrupt me today, but I do have a lot of the key pieces, and I did get a chance to swatch some things that I did not pick up in store. However, when I got most of this stuff, they did not have everything at my Tom Ford counter, so I did not get to swatch every single thing. But in this collection there's a nice range. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video, and I'm gonna talk about each piece as I'm using it. But here's my look that I created. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section, and I'll talk to you guys soon. I'm going to go in with the cream and powder eye color in the color Emerald Isles. So this retails for $62, and in this collection there are two different variations of this. This is actually called a cream and powder eye color, and the description on Sephora.com says that the cream and powder eye color features a base eye color and eye color for warm weather looks. The ultra pigmented metallic cream shadow glides on a rich molten glow, and the sparkling celestial powder intensifies your eyes with alluring shimmer. It does come with a little mirror if you wanted to use that, but I'm just going to go in with this plain. I already have my eyes prepped, and I have somewhat of an eye look already going. I used my ABH Soft Glam palette for the look that you see right now. I just needed like some transition colors and some outer crease colors, just a little bit, so I can already have a base for this. This is a MAC 252 brush. I'm going to go straight in with this color, and I really want it to be almost like a wash. And so as you guys can see, I've left the space open in between my outer crease color as well as my inner crease color. So I'm just going to press this on, and this is just going to give me a nice sophisticated amount of gold glitter, which I love that about Tom Ford. Like, he does glitter in a tasteful way. If you work in a professional environment, you can wear this, or if you're going on the beach, you can throw this on. What I like about his glitters is that they are versatile. That looks really pretty. I want this eye look to be pretty simple, but I do want to use both of the components of this eye duo. So of course I have to go in with this green like you already knew. I just want to smudge that along my lower lash line. This is a Wayne Goss number 20 brush, so I'm just going to dip straight into this green, which you have to be very careful about because this can get messy. But I'm just going to keep this right next to the lash line. I love it. I think that it looks really good. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of eyeliner and mascara. I don't want to do lashes today. I want this look to be pretty simple, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to be using this highlighter. This is the new Trio Compacts from this year's collection. This one is in the color Nude Glow. How beautiful does that look in a pan? This trio is different because it does not come with a bronzer this year. It just has the two highlighters. I'm going to go in with a Wayne Goss 02 highlighting brush, or that's what I use it for. And I have to go in with this top highlighter just to see what it looks like on me. Highlight. So this is a very understated or demure gold highlight. It's not giving me a very high reflection at all. I think that this highlighter though is like pinkish. On me, it's going to be too cool toned and it's going to look white. As you guys can see, I'm going to swatch it. That's not going to look good on me. So that's an absolute no-go. Now I'm going to go in with this middle blush color with the same brush, and that picked up a lot. And I'm just going to like lightly dust this on my cheeks. That is very pigmented. Like, you have to be very careful with your application of this one, I see. I didn't want to do that much because I wanted to save my blush for this, but I'm still going to put it on because I'm about that life. This is a Tom Ford 04 brush, and I'm not going to go in with the pink. I'm going to go in with this coral lightly because it can go there really fast. But as you guys can see, you honestly don't need a lot at all. But I'm going to go ahead and line my lips using MAC Cork. And they came out with a whole slew of these colors. But this is an Ultra Shine lip color, and I have the color 01 Bear. I love it because it's already glossy. I've worn this several times. This is a really beautiful neutral nude, no fuss, no muss. Overall, I liked everything that I picked up from the collection, although I do like some things more than others. I know that Tom Ford has a premium price range, so I know that you all are like, okay, I need to know the real tea before I spend these coins. I totally understand. But overall, I feel like this is a really solid collection. And if you have a deeper complexion, I feel like this collection would be a great collection for you to try Tom Ford. The only thing that I feel like really wouldn't work universally for deeper complected people especially is this trio. I feel like these two colors are too light, and this one is kind of light, but it'll definitely work. But if you're going to pick something with the coral, I feel like this one kills that as far as pigmentation and just being able to work on a lot of different people. But this lipstick is beautiful. I feel like almost everybody can wear it, especially if you have a lip pencil that you want to put with it. They have so many other colors in this formula. The formulation of this lipstick is beautiful. I really like this eye duo. If you're looking for something that's more sheer, like a wash of glitter, this is beautiful. But if you're looking for like really intense metallic gold, it's not what that is. And the cream is very pigmented as well, so I really like this one. They did have another one that was blue. I love that one as well, but if we're picking, I like the green one a little bit more. But that's everything that I got. I feel like everything is very well formulated. Let me know your opinion down in the comment section. Have you ever tried anything Tom Ford? Let me know if you're planning on trying anything that I tried in this video, and I look forward to reading you guys' comments. And if you haven't already, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe before you leave. And if you're already subscribed, make sure you hit that bell. That way you receive notifications whenever I drop new content on my channel. But I will catch you guys very, very soon in my next video. Smooches. Bye.